In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress URL. This can be a crucial step for rebranding, improving site security, or just correcting an unintentional misconfiguration. Let's dive right in and go over how you can accomplish this seamlessly. To start, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in your WordPress site's URL, followed by WP admin. Once you've landed on the login page, enter your login credentials to access the dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is your command center for managing your website, and it will give you access to all of the features you need to modify your site's settings. Now that you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your dashboard, where you'll see a menu bar with various options. You're going to want to locate the section labeled Settings. The Settings option might be further down the menu, so go ahead and scroll if you need to. Click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust many of your website's core settings. Once you're on the Settings page, there are several tabs that you can choose from at the top. Ensure you are on the General tab, which is selected by default in most cases. Here is where the magic happens. You will see fields for both the WordPress address, URL, and the site address, URL. These are the settings you'll need to modify to change your site URL. Now, you should see two text boxes labeled with WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL. These fields may have the same URL, or they might differ slightly if you've set them that way. Simply replace the current URL in each of these fields with your desired new URL. Be very careful as you do this. Double-check for typos. Make sure that the format of your URL remains consistent, and don't forget the http// or https, especially if your site uses SSL. After you've double-checked your new URLs for accuracy, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click this button to apply the changes you've made. After you've done this, your WordPress site URL should be updated. However, keep in mind that changing the URL may cause you to be logged out of the dashboard. Simply log back in using the new URL to access your site again. That's it. You've successfully changed your WordPress URL. Remember that any existing links, bookmarks, or shared paths to your old URL could become obsolete, so it's a good idea to inform your audience or redirect old URLs if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.